Need some easy lunch ideas? Today I'll show you 5 easy microwave lunches. Each one takes about 5 minutes to prepare. Then you just heat it up when you're ready to eat. Hi, I'm Natchan. I'm a mom working in a school kitchen in Japan. Here's this week's lunch plan. These are also my favorite lunches during my son's summer vacation. With these ingredients, you'll have everything you need to make these 5 lunches. Now let's get started. Day 1. Curry and rice. Ingredients: place cooked rice into a microwave-safe plate. Top it with frozen mixed vegetables and your choice of ham or sausage, and it's ready. If you are not eating right away, keep it covered in the refrigerator. When you're ready to eat, simply heat it in the microwave. Heat the curry as directed on the package. You can also top it with fried chicken or a frozen croquette. Day 2. Cold udon. Ingredients: prepare the toppings for the udon. Today I'm using cucumber and kamaboko, but ham also works well. Use whatever toppings your family enjoys. Cover and refrigerate it until mealtime. When you're ready to eat, microwave the frozen udon according to the package. Cool the noodles under cold water running. Top it with the prepared ingredients and pour tsuyu over the noodles. That's it. Perfect for hot days when you don't feel like eating. Day 3. Fried rice. Ingredients: crack an egg into a microwave-safe container. Cover loosely and microwave until cooked. In another microwave-safe container, add cooked rice, frozen mixed vegetable, and your favorite protein. Today I'm using kamaboko and sausages. Break up the cooked egg and make scrambled eggs. Season with 1 teaspoon sesame oil and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. If you're not eating it right away, keep it covered in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, microwave until hot. Mix everything together well before serving. An easy lunch packed with protein. Day 4. Doria. Ingredients: add cooked rice to a microwave-safe plate. Top with your favorite ingredients. Today I'm using frozen mixed vegetables and sausage. I like cutting the sausage with kitchen scissors because it's quicker and creates fewer dishes to wash. Spread your favorite pasta sauce over the rice. Adjust the amount depending on how much rice you're using. Finish with shredded melting cheese. Cover and refrigerate until mealtime. When you're ready to eat, microwave until the cheese is melted and everything is hot. Meat sauce or any pasta sauce works good. Day 4. Napolitan udon. Ingredients: plate frozen udon, thinly sliced onion, and sausage into a microwave-safe container. You can also add bell peppers or frozen spinach if you like. Season with ketchup, consomme, and butter. If you are not eating it right away, keep it covered in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, microwave according to the cooking instruction on the udon package. Once everything is hot, mix well. Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top if you like. How did you like these ideas? Today, I shared 5 simple lunches that can be prepared quickly with very little cooking, perfect for busy days. Some meals may not have quite enough vegetable or protein, but trying to make every meal perfect can be exhausting for both parents and kids. It's okay to make things easier sometimes. I hope these ideas make your days a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.